Is it lined up down there?
I'm not too worried about that right now.
Hell no, it ain't lined up.
No.
15 seconds
And 15 seconds.
Start this thing up.
Start this thing up. Broken clutch and everything.
Still would probably be you. Yo, what's going on, you guys? So I haven't made a video in a minute. I feel like I say that every other video, but we're making another video today. And what it's about is I got a new intake, replaced my APS one, because my car is so wide and the tires are so wide that I literally turned. I was trying to do a U-turn, and I ripped the entire filter out of the intake because my tire was hitting it on the turn. So, little word of advice: if you want to get a fender well intake and you have any plans to go wide in the future, maybe don't get a fender well intake, because you might rip it out when you try to do a turn. So anyway, I think the Grimmspeed one is an upgrade anyway, so we're going to be installing that today. Got my clutch replaced recently, and somehow, just my luck, or maybe it's because it's my birthday recently, the clutch needs to be replaced again for a second time 1,000 miles later. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it's my car or the shop or something I did. Either way, I want to blame somebody. I don't know who did it, but I'm ready to throw hands with whoever is at fault for this. Anyway, I can't do much about it, so I'm getting the new clutch put in on the 12th, which is about 8 days from now. But the whole point I'm making with all of this is that the car pretty much feels like an NA Subaru right now because it's slipping so bad. Or honestly, probably worse than an NA Subaru. So the new intake's going on today. New clutch on the 12th, and then we're gonna have the break-in period, and after that I'll actually be able to rip it. Oh, you can't even see him. Plate frames, those are sick. Damn, that's so nice. Look at that. That's all just to keep it safe.
Packaging, baby.
Yeah. Is there anything in there? Is that just, it's all, I think it's all just cushion.
I think so, man.
You are really dumb, for real.
Ooh.
Look at that piece of machinery. Got the Grimmspeed logo there. Where should I put this? I'll put it on top. We got the filter.
Damn, that filter's sick too.
This is for you.
Thanks, dude. Oh, sick. All right, later. Peace.
All right, let me see this thing.
Hold up. Pretty sure it's this size.
Yeah, so we're gonna take that off.
Ooh.
Take that off. Take off the bracket there. I don't know if we're gonna have to take off the wheel or not. We'll see. If I prefer not to take it off, obviously, but we'll just see what happens.
Oh, definitely.
I lost that bracket a while ago.
This bracket?
And every single time I would drive my car, it sounded like I had rod knock, because that thing would just be banging against the side of my car.
Damn, and I could have Frankenstein.
I had my music up so loud all the time because I didn't want to hear that shit. I got lucky because some guy on Facebook had that bracket. What's up with this one?
It's free spinning, so it's not pulling out, I don't think.
Sweet.
We can.
I wonder if we can just kind of rotate it, you know?
Yeah, because it looks like
I don't want to take the wheel off.
there's a little bit of a lip here.
I think it's pain in the ass up.
We might be able to just twist and pull. Yeah, give it some. Yes, sir.
We are just about there.
Maybe take these hoses. You're getting caught. There you go.
Let me do something, man.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
myself out.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Don't touch it.
Do. Nice. Wow, that was super easy. And the filter's already taken off of that one, right? So we're chilling.
Yeah, by my wheel.
Yeah, by the wheel. Sick.
All right.
Nice. Makes it easy.
I could
Clean slate.
kill somebody with this.
Probably.
Hit a baseball with it. You don't have any math cleaner, do you? Shout out to the shortages right now. Every time I try to go to get some, they're always sold out. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think
I went to 3 different shops.
they're finicky as fuck, and that's the last thing you want to replace is that bad boy.
Yeah, this thing is worth like $200 or something. I think.
Yeah, they're stupid.
This little tiny
it
thing.
reads that.
Careful with that.
Levels. This is what
We're gonna.
should connect those.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Now we have that. I was thinking about that. I'm like, does it make sense to just?
Yeah. I was so fucking confused.
So I gotta delete all that
Well,
footage.
hang on.
What?
Yeah, I think this wouldn't make sense otherwise.
You guys can learn from us.
Yeah, so
Didn't think that through.
Oh, that's nice.
On here, they give you some rubber. Put the smallest rubber around the hole right there to just sort of keep the intake in place and not damage it. And then we have this longer rubber too. I know there's 2 of them. There's another one somewhere too. And you're gonna basically put that around the outside of this to protect your car's fenders and whatnot. So if you guys can see, there's a hole there and a hole there, and then we're gonna also screw into where that ground is right there for the box with this new hardware that Grimmspeed provided. There's a 12 out of 10 chance I'm gonna drop this bolt when it comes all the way out. Here, that's all. You want to finger it out now?
Yeah. And we have the nice new one too, huh?
Fresh bolt.
Fresh.
All right, where's the new one?
Let's see. You just keep
Is
pressure
it,
on that.
oh, is it lined up down there?
I'm not too worried about that right now.
Hell no, it ain't lined up.
No, I just want to get this first though. At least a little bit.
All right, we are done with this. Box is all tightened down. We got both of the clamps on there. Trying to think if there's any advice I would say. What, you got anything? I mean, it went pretty smooth for the most part. I would say for those down there, make sure you have an extension for your drill or whatever. Make sure you hit it with power. You don't need to hit it with power, but it definitely makes it a lot easier. And having an extension for your impact gun or whatever is definitely gonna make it a lot easier to reach those bolts down there.
Yep, those can definitely be hard to reach. The other thing I'd say is try to figure out the logistics of fitting this before connecting it to this piece too. Once we had this where we wanted it in the box, it was a lot easier to just connect here as opposed to going the opposite way. So
true.
Otherwise, pretty good, pretty plug and play, man. Looks beautiful in here. Love the way that it sits against the sidewall, so it's nice and snug.
Yup.
Grounded really nicely. I'm happy with it, man.
Looks good.
Looks good.
Here's the old one, the APS, which was in the fender, and then the new Grimmspeed.
Sheesh.
Super nice. You can also get this in black, so it comes in black or red. I just chose red because it matches my car, and then the STI intercooler too. But yeah, that is it. So now, and the other Grimmspeed stuff too, actually I forgot about that. Once you get the clutch replaced, we'll do some point of view driving, get some sound clips. Grimmspeed. Yes. Jeez, current voltage 14.7.
Yeah, you're doing fine.
Let's just turn some shit on. Because it won't even let you do if it's that high. Oh, maybe it will. Okay, fuck
It should. Don't mess up my garage.
Oh, this port sucks.
What did you just hit?
Don't worry about it.
I mean, I've never had to do that on my Forester.
You must have done it wrong then.
I don't know. Mine's a little nicer. I mean, I don't mean to like.
They're
I don't mean to brag, but like.
You're gonna hurt their eyes.
That's what a clean build looks like. Which one is it? Which one's your favorite? Don't you look at that one.
My dog.
He said, "That's my dog. It's my house, my garage." 15 seconds.
All right. You know how to count to 15?
Yeah, I'm counting actually on here right now.
Did you even pass the 3rd grade? All right. 15 seconds and then.
And 15 seconds.
Start this thing up.
Start this thing up. Broken clutch and everything.
Still will probably beat you. Is your transmission gonna go out again after your 4th one? Man, my car looks sick on this GoPro.
Yeah,
like, I had to record more shit for Instagram, but like this on here.
Oh, for sure.
I totally should.
Totally could.
God damn, it looks.
Yeah, it looks really good. I love the red too. The red
looks good.
Is like super sick.
You hear all my belt squeaking. It's on.
You get some Old Spice? Get some deodorant?
Power steering. What? Where'd he go? Overall, the quality is really good. You can see they actually care to make sure that you're not going to damage or anything because they have the rubber here, the rubber on your fenders, and they give you all new hardware. Everything just looks really good. So 10 out of 10 would recommend this intake. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment down below or message me on Instagram at JamesFXTI. And like I said, I'll make another video of some sound clips and just other stuff too once I get my clutch replaced in a couple weeks, or about 1.5 weeks. So stay on the lookout for that. But once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.